Even though I know it's not perfect, you gotta hype yourself up. Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Nico the Barber, and this is my first ever official vlog. I decided that I want to start vlogging. I've actually wanted to do it for a long time, so I'm doing something about it. So today is my first official vlog. So what's gonna happen now is I just finished off with my last cut. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair done because under this beanie is a mess. Don't worry guys, you won't see this beanie much for the next few weeks because I'm gonna get rid of that. So about the beanie, maybe I'll get rid of it after I get my hair done. But for now, I'll be keeping the beanie on. So guys, let's go. So basically I just finished up, I packed up in the shop, I got everything I needed. So now I'm gonna head out for my appointment. I don't know when the proper stand is yet. I'm using my tripod stand actually. Damn bro, hey, these damn parrots threw me off, loud as hell, yo. But anyway, yeah, I just got into the car now, I'm gonna drive down, go. Why am I repeating myself constantly, over and over? I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but I'm going down to my appointment. Away, James. So away for the vlog, James. Away. Finally, now I'm gonna go. Just got my hair done. Always looking to see. So now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna chill. So yeah, it's a bit iffy. So this is basically my first ever vlog. I'm gonna get more comfortable with it, you know, get more used to it. And then most definitely at my next one I'm gonna go work and we'll go in it. I'll see what mistakes I made with this one and you know, improve on the next one. So yes guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm back at the barber shop. I just came through. I was actually supposed to cut my hair tomorrow, but I couldn't wait. I'm really loving my new retwist style that my stylist gave me. But I mean, she never ever disappoints me. That's how I've been going for the past 3-4 years. So yeah, I just got my hair retwisted. I got my hair retwisted. I got everything styled. So I'm looking nice and neat again. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm making myself a young fade, clean up the sides, a hide skin taper, and I'm gonna trim up the back. So yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done. Woo! So I finally got my haircut. I feel like I'm looking pretty good. Feeling super confident. That's the one thing I love most about the cut. It makes you feel amazing, it makes you feel on top of the world. Especially a fresh cut. And I need to give you another full 360. But I don't mind because I know my face is looking fire. Yes sir. Get the lineup though. Get the lineup. I went crazy on this one. I won't lie. But I'm definitely loving my new hairstyle. Most definitely loving it. So yeah guys, that was my day. I'll see you soon. Let me know how you feel about my vlog. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you know, just go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification button. I have some fire content that I'm gonna be dropping soon. I know the guys will definitely love it. I put a whole lot of effort into it. So these tutorials that I will be putting out now, it's all gonna just be quality, real quality. So yeah guys, it's your boy Enrico the Barber. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.